The nation's capital, where the former governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha, has been granted bail by the Federal High Court in the sum of 500 million naira, and he is to provide one surety in like sum. The surety should be a Nigerian-owned landed property in Abuja, as well as possess original property documents, which should be deposited with the court registry. The registrar of the court will also verify the said property. The defendant is not to travel outside the jurisdiction of the court without its permission. Also, the EFCC is to deposit the defendant's passport with the court registrar, who, that is the registrar, will inform the Nigerian Immigration Service that the passport of Senator Okorocha is with the court. The judge, N500, had also ordered Senator Okorocha's further detention until 31st of May, when his bail application would be argued. Well, that has since, of course, been settled now. The court has now granted him bail in the sum of 500 million naira. Let's get more on this developing story now, bringing in Judiciary correspondent Celestina, Iria, who has been monitoring the case since Monday when he was arraigned. So what's the reaction generally to this bail conditions, Celestina?
Well, Kemi, Mr. Okorocha in particular was very happy. His lawyer said that the conditions were not stringent. It's a normal condition any court will grant. As at the time we left the court, they were trying to fulfill the bail condition so that Mr. Okorocha can proceed to his presidential screening. I know the screening commenced yesterday, so they're trying to perfect the conditions so he can be screened by the APC today.
And for the EFCC, what did the agency have to say considering the back and forth between Senator Okorocha's legal team and the EFCC?
Okay, yes, the EFCC actually opposed to his bail application, and today before the ruling, during the course of the hearing, they had said that Mr. Okorocha does not appreciate or did not appreciate the gesture extended to him by the commission. He was granted administrative bail, but he allegedly, according to them, he jumped bail. They tried to serve him the charge on several occasions, which proved abortive, and they invited him on several occasions to the commission. He failed to come. So according to them, he is a flight risk and the court should not grant him bail. But the court said he's very cautious, which is Justice N500. He's very cautious in granting. That was given. He granted him bail in the sum of 500 million naira and one surety in like sum. We know that Mr. Okorocha is charged alongside 6 others, one also an individual, and the other 4 corporate bodies, which are companies. But the second defendant in the case was granted bail in the same term of administrative bail granted him by the EFCC, because not opposed to the second defendant's counsel's argument, the fact that the second defendant had always to the EFCC and has never of good conduct. So the court admitted the second defendant to bail on the same terms, granted him bail by So come November, on the 7th to 11th, the trial will commence.
Celestina, Iria, there will leave it at that now. Thanks a lot for the updates regarding the bail granted Senator Rochas Okorocha.